All of my stress just goes away when I listen to Zen12.
It's meditation for people who don't have time to meditate.
It's crazy. In the morning, I'm running around doing my thing. All of a sudden, you just take a deep breath and you remember, oh yeah, Zen12.
Zen12 uses a special brainwave audio, so you don't have to think about meditation.
You just hit play and your job is done.
You just listen, and Zen12 basically meditates for you.
So I love it because a session takes just like 12 minutes and it gives you the equivalent of 1 full hour's worth of meditation.
I put the headphones on and I just really come to a place where I can really just make it through my day.
I listen and my day just feels so much more relaxed.
So you put on Zen12, and for only 12 minutes out of your day, everything just disappears.
It's completely changed the way I meditate on a daily basis. It makes things so much easier. I find myself a lot calmer, and it's just really made me more centered as a person.
I'm more focused, more confident, more creative. Yeah.
I mean, I feel happier.
It's awesome, man.
It's really changed my life for the better.
It all changed.
It all changed.
When I discovered
When I discovered
Zen12.
Zen12.